This is my latest design, and it is simpler than the lake. You can compare both designs here. I want to create a design that is easy to build and also perform as well as those boats in the market. Therefore, I modeled this design after my canoe Solo 2. It will not be exactly the same, and it will be narrower, and I hope it will be faster too. I made a few paper models using the printing paper. The final version, I used the cardboard to build a model, and it seemed to be better in mimicking the property of chloroplast. The box size will be 15 inches by 42 inches by 12 inches. And you can compare the box sizes of Solo 2 and the lake. Because the width of this Gen 25 kayak is around 25 inches, therefore the box size is slightly smaller than the Solo 2 and the lake. It's getting cold outside, so I have to wait for the warmer weather before I can use the garage to build the first prototype. Please stay tuned. If you like my video, please give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your support. Bye bye.